I came here at the manufacturing lab and it was a class. And I saw the professor and the students that were running these machines right here and they were cutting metal. Most of it was hands-on. And I was like, wow, this is awesome. This is the way I learn the best. I really enjoy running these machines. At first, we were learning the basics before running it, and for the first time we got to cut actually machine, I was super excited. Like I had a big smile because I was seeing metal running everywhere in the place here, and it was like it made me more confident, more enthusiastic to keep going. That this is the thing that I want to do for the rest of my life. I won 2 times the ECMA Workforce Scholarship. It helped me a lot because I couldn't afford to buy the materials. But as soon as we received the money, it was like a great help. I came to the HCC job fair and I met with Baker Hughes. And right away they fell in love with my enthusiasm, my passion about this, that I love it. The way manufacturing works, everything. They hired me as a full-time machinist, and they also work in my school schedule, which I'm really happy because I told them my school is first and then it's a job. I am proud to be working in the manufacturing workforce. Thank you, HCC, for everything.